Hi guys! Nakagawas na pud mi sa lungga. So, mga to mi sa unahan, di ba?
Hello.
Tanga kay si Jingjing guys. Hapit siya nakuan.
Sabi na kung paano play. Ay, ito.
So mga to mi dito sa unahan.
Sige.
Mamarget may blue eyes. There's a car there. Hata mga to Jing. Sa park.
Yeah.
Mga to mi sa park. Dahan kay building diri guys. Look at her outfit. Magani dili kay siya bugnaw karong gabi una. Still cold.
I wear.
Na-stress na mi sa balay guys. Na-stress na mi gilaylay sa bata. So, magpalit daw mi og ice cream.
So, dito ko naman.
Dito wa unya. Eh wala man to dito sa Blue Mart sa Weston, hindi ba to? Katuntag piso kapin? Ana dito ah. So we will go on this side. Dahan ka sagsakyan andiri guys. Kagahapon kita mig Lamborghini. But wala mi ka pa picture. Because wala na ko dala kong phone kagabi. Naigwapo sa unahan guys. Padapin ta kay Marigsan ta guys. So kota insurance. So this is Dubai accommodations. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Padaplin sa ta guys. Da Pinay ang babae dahil.
Saka. Saka.
Naikar si Uncle.
May car sa akin. Ay, magpanangihi ko daw.
So, hapit-hapit na ta guys. Mananao magdulag volleyball na pod. Ambot na kung nabak karon. Asa na ka Jing?
Because it's dark, you cannot see me clearly.
It's dark daw guys. You can't see her clearly. So, gamay lang ang nasa park karon. Muna ng park
We
dira.
can play.
Nobody plays. So, mangita to direct blue eyes. Og naaway blue eyes diri ah. Nag-yoga sila guys. Come Jing. Miss Universe. Yan na murang pa Miss Universe.
Makahil ko. Char!
Nobody is playing inside the volleyball court.
Nobody?
Because it's dark.
Nobody.
Yeah. I think we should find a friend here.
Yeah, that's one.
That one na nakaputi.
Yeah, that's one, I think.
I think he's a foreigner. Right? Oh yeah. Foreigner did check guys. Hindi kayo siya tugnaw karon pero tugnaw siya gamay. Walay nag-play, ngit-ngit ang kuan nila karon. ilahang court. O sa football nila. Badlaag. Gwapo kay guys. My God. Katawa ka, Jun? Ah. Binakog isa to ni katawa. Go exercise. Good mo ko. Exercise mo dara. My God, puti siya guys. Diri ilang volleyball court. Then tapa dito sa likod kay kuan ang football. Malit taguan James. Nak mag-countdown ta dira sa grass.
So grass. We're gonna sit down?
Yeah, we're gonna sit down on the grass.
Oh my god.
But what junk foods we will buy? Katrying hard ba na mag-English?
Oh my god, but it's dirty.
Why? It's not. Because the rain is over.
No, it's dirty.
But the rain is over. Over.
No, it's dirty. There's a lot of
What?
Southlands,
Okay. Okay, laban mo yung English mo dyan, Day.
look at the grass and at the waste.
Yeah.
It's dirty because a lot of waste.
So makita to diri ko anjing. Foreigner. Oh my god, ni shortcut siya guys. Diri siya ni agi sa kilid. Why?
I'm not gonna search for anyone already because I found,
You found the one?
yeah, I found the one.
Who's that person?
Secret.
Is that a foreigner walk?
Maybe?
Maybe. Is his pet so long? Is his pet so long or
No, I didn't see yet.
you,
I will update you if I'm gonna see.
okay, if you touch it soon.
Yeah.
So, playground nila diri sa mga bata. May mga tuya-tuya dira guys. Tuya-tuya, slide-slide. Mas mo nilang trees. Ambot, mura siya coconut na yung masabtan. Yeah. Ata mga to, Jing. Where should we go?
We should go to Western.
West Zone. Okay.
How about we're just gonna walk, then we're gonna go back to Blue Mart.
Yeah, but I want to sit down there.
You want to sit there?
Yeah. Lingi siya sa akong video guys. My God. Is it allowed or not? Yeah, we're allowed because it's a park. Bot man sa English na mo. So, dirami mo ito sa West Zone. It's 8 minutes na. I think I'm not allowed to take videos inside because the last time I go there and make some video, the guard just say that I'm so sorry sir, is it not allowed to take videos in this establishment? You will find something and the cops will get you. Sabot mo ato sa accent. Okay, nanami din sa West Zone. So bye, maulan to. Gwapo kayo naka-blue, oh my god. Na siya, dara, sa likod. Nakatopping si Kuya.